Welcome to Cool Kids For You, your go-to channel for the best videos for your kids. In this video, we'll be showcasing a variety of toy vehicles that your children will surely enjoy playing with. Our videos are not just fun and entertaining, but also educational, as we help your kids learn about different types of vehicles and their functions. So whether your kids love playing with cars, tractors, cranes, dozers, motorbikes, or racing cars, we've got it all covered. Our videos provide a fun and safe environment for your children to learn and play. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching your kids have fun while learning with us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. And last one. We hope that you and your kids enjoyed watching this video and learned something new about toy vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.